Welcome to the that was good. You guys, me, lesson learned. I'll never do this again.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi friends, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new hot, humid day here in France, Nice. Y'all.
Mama, look at the tram.
Yes, the tram is passing. It's going to town. You guys, we're in these streets. Say morning.
Morning.
Me and my babies.
Morning.
You guys, I am heading.
Good morning.
Yeah, see there, look. She's all sort of whiny this morning. Just one of those days. Anyway, we are on our way to get some fresh fruits and veggies. No, not really fruits, but mostly veggies. This morning I'll get a little bit of fruits, but not much, because the kids are really picky when it comes on to fruits. So if I do get fruits, I'll get what they like, not what I like, because I'm not doing fruits. If you guys haven't seen my video yesterday, I was telling you guys the new mission that I'm on since I got back from vacation. No carbs at all, not even low, no carbs. The only carbs that I should be eating is carbs that is in veggies. That's enough carbs that I'll consume, but I won't get into all that again. If you want to know what I'll be doing, make sure you watch yesterday's vlog so you understand where I'm coming from. But I really need some veggies, so I'm heading to the supermarket. And if you didn't watch yesterday's vlog, our car is broken down, so we have to wait for it to go to the garage, and that won't happen until next Tuesday. So I have to bust it to the supermarket and come back. So I took Sarah in this small stroller. She could walk, but I take her in the stroller in case Tyler have to push her and I have to carry the things in my hand. So I have my bags, and I'm gonna juggle it. I'm gonna make it work. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. It's just 10 o'clock in the morning, and if it's this hot already, honey child, I can't imagine what early afternoon is gonna be like. By that time I'll be heading back home, so I'll see you guys along the way. I don't know what amount I'll be able to vlog, but I'll be sure to show you guys what I'll be doing. I want to stop at the bio store, the bio supermarket, to see if there's anything there at a reasonable price that I can grab. But let's see. Anyway, have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged, be kind to one another, be honest. That's a word I'm gonna add to my mantra in the mornings with you guys. So I love you guys, and I'll see you guys along the way today. I'm in the supermarket, you guys, and look what I found. My sister-in-law will be happy when she sees these bubble teas. I've always seen it, but I didn't know what it is until now. Well, now I need to take a photo and send it to her. She'll be so happy. Yup, and they have different flavors too. She'll be so happy. Well, I'm not taking no watermelon today, but what I can take though are berries. So I'm gonna have blackberries and raspberries. And the kids might want strawberries. So let's see what's the strawberries costs are like. I'm coming. Voila. So you guys, I'm trying to navigate the supermarket with taking minimum amount of things because where's the baby? Okay, the baby's already gone. The kids are here being good for me while I go through the supermarket, trying to pick up a few little things to head back home. Picking up the most important things on my list, things that I don't really need right now. So I got the berries, see blackberries and raspberries. As much as I'm not a fan, but they're a part of my diet. So let me check and see if I find pecans over here. Ah, Ilela, it is here. Yeah, this one.
What the pickle?
Okay, so I'm gonna take this one. I found all that I want. Now how am I gonna get these home? We'll figure that out when we get there. But let's go home, let's go home, let's go to the cashier. All right, you guys, made it home, and this is what my lunch is looking like. First meal of the day at 2 p.m. So I'm having a piece of cheese. This is brie cheese to be exact. Look at me being French. Tomatoes, avocado, pecans, 3 eggs, 2 pieces of bacon. Now I'll let you guys comment down below and tell me what you realize about my plate. So this is lunch, and dinner will look completely different. So here we go. I'll take you guys on this journey with me. Don't worry, we'll see what the outcome will be. Welcome to the that was good, you guys. Me and the kids went to the supermarket. Okay, Finny now, Finny.
It's gone.
Me and you. So we're gonna do supermarket haul. Wait, okay, Finny. We're gonna do supermarket haul real quick without babies at work, and these things is too early in the day for me to leave them hanging around. I need them to pack out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys a few things that I picked up at the supermarket, and this is between the buyer supermarket and our usual supermarket. So what we have, what is this?
Macaroni and cheese. Macaroni and cheese.
And I picked up 4 packs of those. What is this? No, it's the cheese for the hamburger. What is this?
Noix de coco. Je veux dire noix de
One noix de pecan. Pecan, and I got this at the bio section. No lie, I got this at the normal section. And I got more
cheese.
We're gonna eat cheese.
Cheese.
So I'm gonna put these in the refrigerator because they can't stay out. And we got
Mustard.
alright. So what is this one?
Cabbage.
You're learning from brother? Alright, let's go. We got, let's see if Sarah knows what this is.
Coco.
No.
Zucchini.
Good job.
Zucchini.
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 Alright, see who know what this is?
Wait, let me see. Spinach.
No.
Spinach.
No.
Spinach.
No. Arugula. C'est arugula.
Arugula.
Et c'est quoi en français?
Rocket.
Yes.
Rocket.
Rocket. Arugula. I'm not a fan of arugula, but I have to try to attempt to at least. What is this?
Strawberry.
Alright, you guys, no shouting.
Okay, Mama. Avocado. Oh, I'm just gonna score that setting.
More avocado, more arugula. Alright. What is this? Wait, Tyler, what is this? What is this?
Raspberry.
Raspberry and blackberry, yes.
Raspberry. Blueberry.
Alright, next Sarah say this one. What is this?
Ice cream cone.
Yes, ice cream cone.
Ice cream cone.
Stop, do your hand like that.
It says
please.
ice cream corn.
What is this?
Salmon.
No, salmon.
Salmon. Salmon likes this chapter
No,
in
you
the
don't
Bible.
The chapter in the Bible is Solomon.
It's in the text.
Okay?
Salmon.
Right. What's this?
Banana.
Good job.
Banana.
Alright. What's this?
Banana. Sausage for barbecue.
What's that?
Meat.
Uh-huh.
Meat.
Beef meat. What's this?
Fry.
Yes, Sarah, go on with yourself. What's this?
Haricot.
What is haricot en anglais?
Green beans.
Good job. What's that?
It's beans that is green.
What is this?
Green beans.
Good job. You guys, me, let's learn. I'll never do this again. All these things I carry in my hands with bags while Tyler pushed the stroller with Sarah with another bag on the back of the stroller. It was a struggle. Plus a big case of water. All of this on a bus, on public transport, on a tram, then the bus, then walk to my house. The good thing the bus stop is like just 3 minutes from the house. But Jaja, my workout for today is done.
Oh yes.
Alright, what's this?
Cabbage.
No.
Cabbage.
No.
Lettuce.
Yes. Lettuce.
Kiwi.
And all the veggies that you saw, I bought them at the beer store except the arugula. I saw it at the beer store and I don't know why I didn't pick it up, but I should have next time. I know to do that.
Hamburger.
Okay, let's see if anybody knows what's this one. What's this?
Wait,
No.
let me think. I don't remember what is it, but it looks like a white broccoli.
No, it looks like a white broccoli, but it's called cauliflower.
Oh, yes, that's right.
You Sarah said flower. You're close, Sarah. You're close. Okay, what's that?
Chicken. Anyway, chicken.
Okay, put it down here. And what's this?
Let me see.
C'est
Foie de poulet.
foie de poulet. C'est quoi foie de poulet en anglais?
Something of chicken.
But what of chicken? Chicken liver.
Oh, a chicken liver?
Yes. More chicken. Put this behind you.
Oh, the chicken behind us.
And more sausages for barbecue. And this one?
Poitrine de porc.
C'est quoi poitrine de porc? You can just say pork strips.
Pork.
Okay, what is this?
Yogurt. Vierge de coco.
Oui, mais c'est quoi huile vierge de coco?
It's
Yes, say what you're about to.
no, it's coconut
Mm-hmm.
oil.
Very good.
Coconut.
Coconut oil. Alright. And we have 2 more things. What is this?
Crevette.
C'est quoi crevette en anglais?
Crevette.
Oui, mais c'est quoi en anglais? Shrimp.
Shrimp.
And what is this?
Cream spinach. Okay.
Alright. Bien tired this time.
Ow.
You hit your hand.
Ow.
That hurt. Hush, hush, calm down. Ready? Ready, Sarah?
Ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One mama. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2 mama. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
At least I have one. Wait, Mama. I knew you was going to win. You're much stronger than me, but I just have 1 point.
You did good. Keep trying. You're back, so you'll get practice, okay? High five. Alright, it's time for Sarah to take a...
Napa?
Yes.
Don't cry. Don't cry.
It's okay. It's okay. Tai, go to your room. Tai, go to your nap.
Sorry, she's coming back soon.
Okay, you guys. My baby girl is done for a nap. Now I'm going to go pack out these things and relax a bit. I'm tired. Off to the pool we go. Sarah, no running, please. Walk. I said no running. You hear? I said no running and no jumping. You walk. You guys, I'm tired. I am hungry, and it's 8 p.m. and I haven't yet have dinner. But I'm about to. I'm gonna show you guys dinner for today. That's dinner for baby and I. Let me give you a good look. Baby already ate. Can you believe it? My husband come eat before me. Look at him. Good life, man, living. So this is dinner, and babe had the exact same thing. I'm having salmon, tomatoes, salad, and in my salad I have arugula, which I don't like, but I'm gonna eat it, and lettuce, avocado, blackberries, and then after I eat this I'm gonna have a little piece of cheese. And look what I made for the kids. I made fries for Sarah
And crepe for me.
and crepe for Tyler. And look what they're eating now.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Watch good life. Now go on with it yourself. I didn't film at the pool because the pool had too many people.